Lost again. Once we realized we were missing out on a huge chunk of revenue, we knew we had to fix the problem. Our first solution? Hiring an answering service. But to our dismay, they were worse than we imagined. More than half the time, they didn't even pick up the phone. We thought it was just that one service. So, we switched. And switched again. And again. 5 times. Each time, it was the same story. Poor service, high costs. One company charged $5 a minute. Another seemed like a bargain at $4 a minute, until we realized we were just throwing money away. After 5 disappointing services, we tried an automated solution. Less expensive, yes, but the programming? So complicated, we couldn't even finish setting it up. By then, we knew something had to change. Then, we had the luxury of finding a partner, a service that changed everything for us. Already thoroughly programmed, with nothing for us to do, answered every single call, not some, but all. This automation solution answered questions, booked appointments, and cost far less than the alternatives we tried before. This partnership has been a game changer. It brought us more business, happier clients, and repeat revenue. And we're so excited about what it's done for us, we'd love to share it with you. But before we get to that, let's take a look at what we learned on this journey. You can actually check samples and get a taste of the capabilities on our site callstobooked.com. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia at callstobooked.com. Connect with us on LinkedIn to learn more about recovering lost revenue and bringing in more clients.